back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where we bring you real reviews of the coolest rides on the road. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Ford Mini Motorhome Truck. And trust me, this one's something special. Ford has really stepped up with this compact RV. From the outside, it's got that tough truck stance, but inside, it's a whole different world. A smartly designed, cozy little home on wheels. Perfect for weekend adventurers, digital nomads, or anyone chasing the freedom of the open road. Under the hood, we've got Ford's tried-and-true EcoBoost engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. That means strong performance, solid fuel economy, and smooth handling whether you're on the highway or heading off-grid. And since it's built on a truck chassis, it drives more like an everyday pickup than a bulky RV. Huge win right there. Inside the Mini Motorhome, Ford's gone all out with functionality. You've got a convertible dinette, a compact but complete kitchen setup with a sink, fridge, microwave, and even a wet bath. The sleeping area is surprisingly spacious and comfy for two adults. Everything is neatly packed into a layout that feels intuitive and modern. Here at Honest Auto Wheels, we love tech. And this little beast doesn't disappoint. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. There's also Ford's suite of driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera, all designed to make your road trips safer and smoother. Let's not forget about the off-grid perks. You can opt for solar panels and a lithium-ion battery setup, giving you power independence while you explore. There's even onboard Wi-Fi with Ford Pass Connect, which keeps you connected no matter where your travels take you. Whether you're working remotely or just streaming your favorite shows, you're covered. Storage? Ford nailed it. From underfloor compartments to roof-mounted cargo racks, this rig is built to handle bikes, gear, or even small trailers, thanks to its 5,000-pound towing capacity. And with trailer sway control, you're towing with confidence. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. Compared to traditional Class C RVs, the 2025 Mini Motorhome Truck delivers SUV-level mileage, saving you money on those long adventures. And let's be real, comfort matters. Heated seats, premium materials, ambient lighting, and whisper quiet. Insulation make this one of the most livable small RVs we've seen here at Honest Auto Wheels. To wrap it up, the 2025 Ford Mini Motorhome Truck is a compact powerhouse. It blends the freedom of RV travel with the practicality of a daily driver, all while keeping things efficient, stylish, and adventure-ready. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more honest takes on the latest vehicles, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels. We've got more epic reviews, test drives, and deep dives coming your way. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next ride.